Be ready? Start. The present civil suit has been filed by the plaintiff seeking declaration, injunction and recovery of possession against the defendant in respect of the disputed property described in the schedule annexed to the plain. Full stop. The plaintiff states that he purchased the property through a registered sale deed executed for valuable consideration, and since then he has remained in lawful and peaceful possession without interruption or adverse claim from any person. The venue, records and tax receipts stand in his name till date. Full stop. The cause of action arose last month when interference started by the defendant side near boundary wall area. The defendant attempted to enter upon the land with laborers and materials for construction of a temporary structure without obtaining consent from the plaintiff or permission from any contempt authority. Full stop. A written objection was immediately submitted to the local officer and a copy of by complaint was also served upon the defendant, but no corrective steps were taken by him thereafter. Full stop. The plaintiff therefore approached this court seeking urgent interim protection and restraint orders against further illegal acts and obstruction to his lawful possession and enjoyment of property rights in question here today itself. Now only please note this fact. Learned counsel for the plaintiff argued that the documentary evidence produced on record clearly establishes title and possession and creates a strong prima facie case in this favor. Full stop. It was submitted that balance of convenience also supports the plaintiff because he is in settled possession and any disturbance at this stage would result in irreparable loss and injury which cannot be adequately compensated by damages alone. Full stop. The court observed that the pleadings and supporting papers require detailed examinations during trial, but temporary protection appears necessary at present stage for ends of justice and fairness between both sides here today only. The defendant, however, opposed the application and submitted that the suit is not maintainable in law and facts. Full stop. According to him, the property is ancestral and jointly used by family members for many years, and the sale deed relied upon by the plaintiff is disputed and require strict proof during evidence. Full stop. After hearing both parties, the court directed them to maintain status quo regarding nature and possession of the property until the next date of hearing and ordered notice to be issued accordingly with usual procedure and compliance steps by office staff without delay from today onwards strictly only there. Full stop.